that when we're looking at it, the Blue Jays are
I've
playing.
got that
So,
joy down in my heart. Where?
Go to Yankee Stadium and watch the Jays play.
Where?
And depending on how the Jays are playing, that game could mean something.
I've got that joy down in my heart. Where? Down in my heart to stay.
It was just
Yes, I'm so happy.
a job.
So very
Then I found out that the perks are
I've got the
first
love
year,
of all of you
you start
in
out
my
at $2 grand.
heart.
Then you
Yes,
second year
I'm
$4
so
grand, all the way up to
happy.
10 grand.
So very happy.
So my wife and I would never ever be able to
I've
go
got
to
the
the
love of all
cottage
of you in my heart.
other than the fact that this happened this way. So, but 10
I've
grand,
got that joy down in my heart. Where? Down in my heart.
yeah, but
Where?
you figure,
Down
okay,
in
10 grand
my
is
heart. I've
nothing
got
compared
that
to what they make.
joy.
They make walls, okay, when they go,
Down in
you know what
my
open pit
heart.
mining
Where?
is, right?
Remember, my family's from Timmins.
Okay.
I know all about
They make the wear plates for the walls.
Okay?
So you get walls that are 500 feet high, but 500 feet wide, going down, and then all of a sudden it's just like, and they got the plates, and then they're molded, they're
Cause everything's
soldered to the bottom
corner here.
gonna be
Big corner. It's a
alright.
circle. There's a
they're
corner.
soldered,
Singing, don't
and then
worry
they're melted together, and then they're welded on the
about
bigger
a
plates. So
thing.
they're
Cause
we work on
every
several different
little thing's gonna be alright.
sets.
My son
And
makes-
multi-million.
The whole thing is I'm in a business
Woke
where
up this
I know I'm not in
morning,
a job that I'm going to make
Smiled at the
Mondo money.
rising sun.
I don't work in this field
3 little
make Mondo money.
boats
I
sitting
want to be. I
on
want to
my
be. I want to be
doorstep,
comfortable. I
Yeah,
still
but-
haven't got back up to what I was
Singing
making when I was a
sweet
future
You
job.
don't do computers like Jay
the
Paul.
melody is
Trust me.
pure and true.
That guy there.
Singing,
Oh,
this is
You know what
my
I mean?
message to
I
you.
do my work. That's what I do. And
Singing,
I keep up with
don't
it.
worry
And the thing that I've always been good at
about a
over the
thing.
years, future shop and everything else,
Cause every
is
little
I've made a point
thing gonna be
of when a computer comes in
alright.
and is being
Singing, don't
thrown away,
worry
I'll take a look at it
about
and
a
see what kind of
thing.
quality it is.
Cause
And I've
every little thing
gifted.
gonna
They've had a few
be
laptops for me. The computer attached to that TV came from my work right now. I don't get as many as I used to. Like when I was at Oddcomp for those 4 years, we'd have different companies all the time, right? Yeah. Don't get that.
down
anymore.
by the
Where I am, I only have one company. So as we upgrade
where the
computers,
watermelons
sometimes
grow.
other computers.
Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do,
So you go
my
swimming and
mother
I'll
will
stay home and do that.
say. Down by
You have more-
the
you enjoy
bay,
it more than
down
I
by
do.
the bay,
Can I come with you guys since my husband doesn't want to go with me now?
where the watermelons grow.
Okay, I'm not going anymore.
Back to my home, I dare not
I'm
go,
not going swimming anymore.
for if I do, my mother will say.
No, I'd never get anywhere other than this job. But then again, also, I built myself into this job.
I didn't
So
think they would want to do
now the
stores
jobs
on.
they come, now when they come to me, they say,
Yeah.
okay, well, we got this coming through, this coming through, this coming through, this has to go here, here, and here.
Over the
I do a lot of the organization and
way
that.
My son, my eldest son, Josh,
high,
he's the
there's a
industrial
land
electrician,
that
but
I've heard of
he's
once
finishing
in
up.
a
What's he finishing up again?
lullaby.
Millwright.
Somewhere
He works for Mitten
over
in
the
Paris.
rainbow skies
But he also told me that if I
are
decide
blue,
to go away from this brick and want to
and
actually get siding, they have a
dreams
really
that you
good
dare to
family purchase
dream
program.
really do come true.
I'm really considering it because I
Someday
hate
I
this
wish
just
upon
damn
a
painted
star
brick.
and wake up where the clouds are far behind.
You sandblast that stuff and
A
it
few
was
years ago, when
troubles melt like lemon
Yeah, that
drops
was the best.
away above the chimney tops. That's where
This is what your house will look like when the
you'll
aliens take over. Everything around us is burnt down,
Except for our
but our
house.
house.
Our house was the only one that survived it.
somewhere
I have no idea.
over the rainbow.
Okay.
Well, that'd be a lot of scraping for paint if you did that.
Fly.
Scraping paint.
Birds
Maybe a little bit of color
fly
in there.
over the
That's why I was surprised there the
rainbow.
other.
Why
the
then,
other
oh,
summer
why
you had it painted.
can't I?
I've never had it painted.
Oh, okay, maybe it was a
Never
brickwork.
had it painted.
If happy little
I've been letting the ivy
bluebirds
grow. Now I
fly
killed some of the ivy this year. That's why it's like that
beyond the
now.
rainbow.
But yeah, because I'm like, I kept liking the ivy, and then I'm like, that's probably not good to let it keep growing. So I started killing it. Which it actually looks kind of cool on the other side of the house, where the ones that are dead.